Hello friends, this is Veronica from House of Cid, and you know what time it is. It's cafecito time, and I hope you have subscribed to my channel where I make videos on coffee reviews, coffee recipes, coffee adventures, and all things from the wonderful world of coffee. And today, for our cafecito time, I want to share a recipe with you. If you watched my last video where I went to try the new Starbucks drinks for spring, they have two new drinks. They have the iced brown sugar oatmeal shaken espresso and the iced chocolate almond milk shaken espresso. Who comes up with these names? But anyway, Starbucks has these two new drinks, and I went a little bit later in the day it was released, and they ran out of oat milk. Finally, Starbucks has oat milk as a milk choice on their menu. They didn't before. I don't know why it took them so long. But anyways, they have oat milk. It was very popular. It ran out. I tried going again another day since it was released last week. Ran out. So I guess people are loving the oat milk. I need to get there a lot earlier. I've been going after work kind of late. So anyways, I decided, you know what? Forget that. I'm not going to be going to Starbucks every day trying to find it and taste it or drive around town. Why? When I could just try to recreate it at home. So that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to recreate it, make my version according to Starbucks website and their menu. Mind you, I have not tasted the drink, so I don't know if it's going to taste similar to it. I will go and taste it eventually. But for now, I figured brown sugar, cinnamon, espresso, oat milk. How difficult could it be? So here it is. Iced brown sugar oat milk shaken espresso is the official name. And this is how they make it. First, we shake Starbucks blonde espresso, brown sugar, and cinnamon together. And then top it off with oat milk and ice for a cool lift to power you through the day. So they shake the espresso, the brown sugar, and cinnamon, and then they top it. So what I decided to do is, guess what I did? I made my own brown sugar cinnamon syrup because I didn't have time to go buy some, and I figured, you know what? It's probably better, less nasty ingredients, because I love me some syrups, but some of them have like these very weird ingredients. Like sometimes I can't even pronounce them. So I said, let's make our own. So we're going to make our own homemade brown sugar cinnamon syrup. And it's very easy to make. I actually was going to make it on the stove, boil it all and everything. But I thought, you know what? I'm just going to try something super easy that not only will be easy for me, but it will also be easy for you guys. I made my syrup in the microwave. Yeah, microwave. So what I did was I got sugar and I used the dark brown sugar because I thought it would taste better than the light brown sugar. I don't know, maybe it's just in my head. So you'll need some dark brown sugar, water, and that's basically it. I just put enough because I didn't want to make a huge batch of syrup, and I didn't record it making it in the microwave, but it's basically 1-to-1 ratio of sugar and water. So what you need is brown sugar, and you put it in, you could either make it on the stove if you like, if you guys really want to make a big batch of it. I just wanted to make enough for one drink, maybe two. And I wanted to also test it out in the microwave. So I put 2 tablespoons of brown sugar to 2 tablespoons of water. And I threw in some cinnamon, mixed it up. I put it in there for about 30 seconds first. And then watch it because I did notice it would expand. So it expanded and it almost spilled. You don't want to make a mess with the sugar in your microwave. So make sure you're watching it. Maybe do 20 depends on how strong your microwave is. Do 20 to 30 seconds, watch it, mix it up, and you might need an additional, I don't know, maybe 15, 20 seconds. So in under a minute, you have brown sugar cinnamon syrup. It smells really good. It tastes really good. It is going to be very hot. Don't touch it. You're going to burn yourself like I did, but you can put it in the refrigerator. So I made this after breakfast, and I put it in the refrigerator, and now we're ready to make our drink. So let's do it. And you're going to need some oat milk, and this is the one I have. I have the Silk Oat Yeah oat milk, and this is the extra creamy. Starbucks is using Oatly, so if you want to use Oatly, I don't seem to find it near me, and I'm not driving all around town to look for it. So oat milk, and you're going to need a espresso shot. I did want to make it with the Starbucks blonde espresso shots because I have ordered some, but they didn't come in on time. I thought I was going to have them ready on time to make this video, but I just didn't want to wait a whole nother week. So we're going to use the next best thing, Bianco Leggero, because this is a lighter, kind of like blondish espresso. So we're going to do that, and it's a double espresso. You're going to need 2 shots of espresso, oat milk, your syrup, and ice. And in Starbucks, if you guys have seen how they make their like iced tea lemonade, shaken iced tea lemonades, they do use a shaker, like more when you go to a bar. I don't have one. Actually, I do have one, but I don't know where it is. So I'm going to use my protein shake shaker. This is like perfect. So we're going to use this. Ice. Okay, so let's do it. Let's do our shot. So according to the recipe, I'm going to make like a tall size because I don't want a huge glass of it because I haven't tried it, so it might not be good. I'm going to use this 12-ounce Starbucks. And it says you need 3 pumps of brown sugar. I don't know how many pumps that is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 3 of these little tablespoons, 1, 2, 3, into my shaker here. You guys, this syrup is like legit so good. I hope you guys really make it and try it at home. Okay, we're going to make our okay. So now I'm going to put some ice in here. I'm going to put 2 ice. Woo! I'm going to put the lid here. Make sure it's sealed. And I'm going to make sure it's properly sealed. You guys know it wouldn't be a House of Cid video if I didn't make a mess. Okay, make sure it's properly. I'm going to need to get one of those drink shakers. But anyway, shake it up, shake it up. Shake it up. Then we're going to put more ice in our cup here. Our Starbucks cup. Have my big ice cubes. Now we're going to pour it in here. Okay, you guys ready? And I'm going to Then it says to top it off with oat milk. So we're going to top it off with the oat milk. There it is. Iced brown sugar, oat milk, shaken espresso. I don't have the lid for this because I lost it. But there it is, you guys. It looks so pretty. That is so good. But I think I need more syrup. So I'm going to put a little bit more on top. I'm going to have to figure out the exact size of the pumps. I think it's 1 tablespoon, but I'm not sure. Winner, winner. This is a winner. Iced brown sugar oat milk shaken espresso at home with your homemade brown sugar, cinnamon syrup. You guys, this is so good. I don't know what it tastes like at Starbucks because, like I said, I never tried it, but make it at home. Cheaper, probably better, healthier, and so good. This is 2 thumbs up. You guys, this is really, really good. Try it. If you can't make it out to Starbucks or you just don't want to go, try it at home. It's so easy. 2 shots of espresso, any shots you want, any kind. It doesn't have to be the light. Oat milk, make your own homemade brown sugar cinnamon syrup. I will leave the instructions and the recipe in the description. Yum, this is really good. Guys, I hope you're liking these recipe videos. I'm just winging it here. I'm just doing it. I don't, I'm not a barista. I'm not a professional. I'm just a girl who loves your coffee. So hope you guys are enjoying my videos. Please give them a thumbs up. It's really helping us grow. We finally hit 1,000. We're monetized now. So I'm very, very excited. Thanks to you guys for all the support. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and share our videos. Now I'm a happy girl with my brown sugar oat milk shaken espresso. I think I found my new favorite summer drink. I'm going to be drinking this all summer. Okay, guys, that's it. I'm out of here. I'll see you next time for some more cafecito. Bye.